Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Sick Sister Always Miss Me, chapter 9. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to the story. Su Wenxiao. Is she in love? Why didn't I know? Well, as of the moment, she was really curious. But if Su Wenxiao was in love, why she don't know? And who is the one who's been in a relationship? Really? What is your name, Mr. Ku? Is she a female or male? You are indeed a newcomer, and both companies know they are talking. Our CEO's name is Guan Singh. In order to sit with Mr. Su, she even asked me to call and organize the meeting right now. Guan Singh? It's Sir. Turns out she really know that person. Well, is she really jealous right now? That's why she seems to be worried about her sister. At that time, my sense of morality kept me away from Su Wenjiao and I wanted to try to be with the new people so that I would not be troubled by the fuss. Oh, she was pertaining when she left the house. Before I could decide whether to have further contact with Guan Singh, I saw with my own eyes that the scenes where Guan Singh confessed her love to Su Wenjiao. Well, what is she thinking at this moment? Later, the two parties involved did not make it in Flavik, but their ambiguous relationship was obvious to all. My friends, help for me. If an illegitimate daughter fights for love, won't she have to fight our family property in the future? Oh, that time. She was really acting like a baby. She really decided and she's not thinking. That's why she left her house. I have no idea about it and I just wanted to pack my bags and run away from home. Well, she is really like that. Sister, don't leave. Su Wenjiao was trying to stop her. Back then, since she was still in college, she was thinking like they were a child. Sister, why do I like her, but not me? Oh, that time, Su Wenjiao, are you sick? Have you read too many novels about overbearing presidents? I threw Su Wenjiao away and wanted to leave. When I raised my head, I met Guan Singh eyes in a corridor. Oh, what could be? At that moment, after the incident, Guan Singh moved. My mother scolded me for running away from home. I cannot only carefully maintain my relationship with Su Wenjiao. That's why, on that time, I really left the house. But at this moment, I can only carefully maintain my relationship with Su Wenjiao. Unexpectedly, half a year later, Su Wenjiao submitted her study abroad application to the school and left without saying a word. Well, they really have a bad arguments on that time. But right now, it seems that their old relationship has been rekindled and Su Wenjiao asked me to attend a banquet with her. But with meeting Guan Singh, well, it seems that she was really jealous on the current state of Su Wenjiao and Guan Ting. It is because we are afraid that we will not be able to touch it and it will not embarrass enough. What's wrong with you? You look so ugly. Oh, this is not good. What's wrong with you? You look so ugly. Standing, I suddenly remember that I haven't finished what Mr. Su told me. What time did you leave? Leave after the meeting. Well, how long? It's about an hour. Right now, she was searching on her phone. Probably, she wanted to stay from the crowd. Are you bored? Where are you? I'm going to find you. Sister, please answer me. Right now, she's leaving on the crowd. All of them are watching her leaving. Well, it really makes sense to her. She looks exhausted. She really feels exhausted. Hello, are you listening to what I just told you? You think Su Wenjiao has a bad eyesight? Why did rekindle their old relationship? Oh, it really makes sense right now. And Guan Ting relationship. Miss, are you jealous? You love Guan Singh, but you can't stand her being with your sister. Nonsense, I just think Su Wenjiao eyesight is bad. Please quickly find someone to help me find out how Gu Wanxing is doing at this moment. There's nothing wrong, just check it for me. Oh, no, it was clearly. She was really jealous about the relationship of her sister and Gu Wanxing. Now she's asking someone to find her. What's the real status of relationship of the two of them? It's really sick that you're having a relationship and hiding it from me. Oh, she was really jealous. Now she's acting like a child. Said things, bubbly things. Turns out someone's pulled her in. Well, what do you think, guys? Who is it? Someone gets her inside the room. It seems to be Shabby, but she already pinned down on the wall. Turns out it was her sister. So Wenjiao is getting her. Now, what is she trying to do? Sister, what did you do in the bathroom? Su Wenjiao is asking her. Su Wenjiao, let me go. Was asking Su Wenjiao to let her go. But Su Wenjiao, of course. She was really pinning down so that she can really move. You're not allowed to leave, Su Wenjiao said to her. At this moment, Su Wenjiao, she becomes sticky to her. What exactly did you do when you went to the bathroom? I'll go to the bathroom. What can I do? Well, she was right, of course. But right now, it turns out she's really watching her so much. That's why she followed her. Mind your own business, she said to Su Wenjiao. Ah, I heard it all. Well, it turns out, girl, she was really spying towards her. That's why I can't hear you. But right now, she was calling Wenjiao. No, Su Wenjiao hands become tricky. Now it's moving everywhere. Suddenly, she got froze. And now, her dress, it's pulled down on the floor. So Wenjiao, she's getting tricky over her sister. Well, it seems that we have a good chapter next week. Well, let's really wait for it. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is open for those who want to support. You can join by clicking the subscribe button and joining the membership. Thank you. Bye.